And here we go. Red Alliance with a hailstorm of fuel. Here comes Blue Alliance right back at him with their own storm of fuel going in. It's close. Woo! Red Alliance continues, and so does Blue. And it looks like we're going to have a transition shift from red to blue. Blue is now active. Active hub for Blue Alliance. Let's see what they do with it. They're gathering fuel, trying to set up for launch. Looks like they're having a few issues there in the corner. Here they come. Here comes 5427, gathering fuel. And transition over to the Red Alliance. Red hub is now active. Here comes 10118 lining up, 4295 lining up, and both whammo shooting at the same time. Gathering more fuel for another round of fuel being scored. There goes 10118 again. Coming back over the bump into the neutral zone. Blue Alliance is now active. 5427's trying to score. Looks like their shooter is jammed. And transitioning over back to the red. Red hub now active. Human players shooting. And we have 4295 moving around. Here comes 10118 collecting some fuel to launch right from the tower area. Getting a few. Oh, that's 30 seconds left in the match. Both hubs are active. We got the Blue Alliance scoring from the human player side of the outpost. One right after the other. But can the robots help out? (10-1-18) looking to climb the tower. They are up in the air.
Congratulations, Red Alliance.